Alright, this is 715 Del Oro Drive in Safety Harbor. And I've run the camera through the clean out 53 feet all the way to the back of the house. This pipe was just loaded with all kind of buildup. We're gonna see some staining on the pipe. That's normal. Just looking for any big monster chunks, and once I get the camera out, I'll show you what the pile of stuff that we pulled out of here. Camera is going to really magnify things, so this little bit that you're seeing on the bottom of the pipe is not a whole lot of anything. It's not causing any problems. This looks a heck of a lot better than when we first started. So I'll show you what I was looking for. Get the camera stable here. So that's just one chunk that we pulled out. So you can see I've got a whole pile here of all these big chunks that we removed from the pipe. So they're having an issue in the master bathroom with it not draining like it should be, and this is why. You get buildup in the pipe and it makes it smaller and smaller. So now everything's all opened up. Everything's beautiful. Shouldn't have any issues again for a long time.